Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save Excel as PDF without cutting off. So guys, if you're having problems where you save your Excel as a PDF but it's saved as 2 pages, one hack that you could try, go to the file on the top left over here. And after that, instead of going to the save as usual, you could just simply go for the print over here on the left side. Now, here on the print, you could just simply go for no scaling over here. So you will have this arrow pointing downward and you will have a drop down and you will have here fit sheet on one page. So click on this one. So as you can see in default, it is on 2 pages. So if we select this one fit page on one page, as you can see, it is now on one page. Now, what you could try to do is change the orientation as well by clicking on this, and you can change it as a landscape. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And as you can see, it is only now one page. Now just simply select print over here. And now here, you could just simply save it as a PDF, as you can see over here. And I'm going to go for test, and I'm going to save it on the desktop and select save. And from there, you should be able to export it as a one page. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.